Hello everyone again, good evening. I hope I have sound now. As I said, this is really a part of my chapter of my life. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen the rain. I've seen the sunny days I thought that never'd end. Seen the lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I'd always thought I'd see you again. Wow, I'm sorry, I'm getting messed up on the chords now. God damn. Won't you look down on Jesus? Gotta help me make a stand. Gotta see me through another day. My body is aching and time is at hand. Lord, I can't make it any other way. But I've seen fire and I've seen the rain. Seen the sunny days I thought that never end. Sorry. I've seen the sometime could not find a friend. But I'd always thought I'd see you again. I've been walking my mind to an easier time. Back is turned towards the sun. Lord knows when chilly winds blow, they'll turn your head around. Well, tell him, well, the time's on telephone lines and talking of the things to come.